this video I will show you how to tie the double half hitch knot. With this knot you can make vertical, horizontal and diagonal lines. It looks best with at least 6 cords. Let's start with the horizontal line. Take the outer cord, which will be your filler cord, and bring it over all the other cords to form the number 4. Take the next cord and put it over and through the loop. Then tighten the knot. Make another knot with this thread and then continue with the next one. Put it over and through the loop. Remember to always keep the first filler cord in a horizontal position. For the diagonal lines, the principle is the same. Just keep the filler cord stretched diagonally. And for the vertical lines, keep the filler cord stretched vertically. With this knot you can create various patterns. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find the best result. To learn other useful macrame designs and knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.